video of a new part that just came out from K-Tune not too long ago. It's a few days ago actually. The K-Tune quick release hood hinges. And I know right off the bat everybody's gonna be like, what's the point of that? Well, it's basically two good things for it. For one, you don't need to use tools and everything like that to take your hood off. It'll be a lot simpler now, especially for the people that are at the track that need to pull the hood off real quick to make adjustments. And another thing that this does is it helps for your hood alignment. Like once you get your hood all lined up perfectly, you don't have to spend time trying to adjust it back and forth to try to get it perfectly even again. All you gotta do is slide it back on, close the hood, you're good to go. And the way it works, there's like a little pin in here. So you can actually lock it so it'll stay in place and never come off if you're somehow like freaked out about it or worried about it. Because the way you take it off is you have to raise the hood past 75 degrees and then you can simply slide it straight up once you take that locking pin out. And then to put it back on, just slide it back down, fold it over, close the hood. That's how it works. Nice and simple. So of course, whenever I finally throw this on my car, I'll show you how it actually goes on and fits and everything like that. It's really basic, simple stuff, but I'll show you guys anyways. And just so you guys can see how it works before it's actually installed on the car, it'll fit on like this. And what you do, you take out the little locking pin here. So as you raise the hood up and you get past 75, you can just slide this part off. And see it has this groove section here for it to fit onto. Just slide it straight down, flip it over. So when it's like this, it can't come off. If you lift it up, pull straight off. Nice little simple design. It's something that probably should have came out a long time ago. But it's pretty dope. Nice solid pieces. Good quality stuff right here from K-Tune. You can see that little section there. Fits right around here, has a little groove in it, if you can see. It's right there, fits right over that edge. Slide it straight on, flip it over. And you're locked in place, ready to go. No more adjusting, no more tools. And if you're really freaked out, like I said, you can just install that locking pin right back in there. Here's that little pin. Just goes straight in there and screws in and tightens down. It says for all the people who paranoid of things, you know, they have a fail safe for you. So yeah, eventually I get this on the car along with some other stuff. The reason why I haven't done anything new to the car is because I'm just waiting until I get all the other parts that I want to add, and then I'll do it all at once. Go make some more driving videos, since apparently everybody wants to see that now. When I used to drive the car all the time, everybody wanted to know all the details, and now that I'm giving all the details, everybody wants to see it driving. Like, I can't make you guys happy. But it's all good though. If you guys got any other questions about the car or anything like that, just leave me comments below. As you can see, I usually answer pretty much everybody. I mean, even the ones that talk shit. So it doesn't really matter. Say what you got to say. Let me know what you want to know, and I'll try to bring you guys some more videos sometime sooner.